stickers, Mel?
New stickers.
Matching gear.
And I've got matching gear.
It's clean as well.
Yeah, I'm good. Matching gear. You know, a whole week to get into it.
Big red. Hey.
I've struggled lately with the day in the day out, it over my head. But I know when I see your eyes, I'm right as rain. We walk inside to again. Yeah, pick you up around 8, meet you outside. We're still on leaving. If it's been raining, or if desert winds blow across the horizon, wait for me. We'll both somehow try to break. And when the stars lay across the beautiful sky, you and I belong here, shining all night.
Excellent.
So, check footage! Yeah! You having a good day? Yes. How you liking it so far? Yeah? Not too scary?
No.
Oh, that's
It's the right amount of scary.
That's good.
Shy, obviously. I know.
Oh, yeah, I know. Look at that. As soon as you get the camera on him, he drops something.
So, where's your tube? Yeah, I don't have one of those. Where's your patch kit? Yeah, it's in the garage. Where are your tyre levers? Yeah, that's next to the patch kit. And you're looking at the bike and you go, do you need a hand? Only tools you need to carry are relative to how well your bike's maintained at home. So if your bike is in tip-top condition, you shouldn't have to be making many repairs on the trail.
It's a check from the Bank of Finke for $836. $836.
The day when I'm out there, I think I'll be thinking of all you guys turning up and being so nice to me, and I think that'll get me over that last week. So,
Oh, Mel.
thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, turn around. Follow the arrow.
In case you
Want to meet
Someone to ride.
with some demon songs.
Speed demons.
Yes, go Mel.
Good luck, Mel. Yay.
Go Mel.
go Mel, go hard.
Enjoy your ride. I don't know Mel, but I hope she does well.
Hold the pin, get the front wheel up, you'll be fine.
You're way better than I am, don't crash. What else do you need?
Do you want to say hello to Mel? No. No.
That's important.
Well, have fun, that's the main thing, and do your best. That's all you've got to do.
Last through it, Mel. All the best. On the way to go.
All the very best for Finke, Mel.
I'll buy you a drink at the scrutineering on Friday night.
Good luck, Mel. Stay safe and have fun.
Have fun, Mel. That's all that matters. All the best, Mel. Hope it works out for you, love.
Just finish and have fun, hey.
Good luck and all the best.
Just hold it on.
Yeah, best of luck, Mel. Give him help.
Be safe, you know you can do it.
Hope you do well and enjoy it.
Yeah, good luck, Mel. Hope you win.
Yeah, I'm sure she will.
Get hard. Good luck, Mel.
Oh, Mel, you can do it. I don't know, but you can do it.
She's 20 times the rider of us combined.
Oh, good luck. Hope you have a really great time.
Have a fantastic time there, and hopefully we might see you on TV or something.
Well, not for the wrong reason.
Good luck, all the best.
Good luck, Mel. Show them how it's done.
Good luck. Yeah, ride hard, have a good time, enjoy yourself.
And have you got any words of encouragement for Mel?
I'd say probably just don't crash.
Yeah.